I don't know what's the order that he uses in, so I'm gonna go with the moisturizer first. Actually, that was the butter. This is the moisturizer. I'm gonna go with this first, since this is, I believe it's one that tends to move the hair, loosen it up. If you use a brush with it versus using the butter, I would feel like it's more like a pomade to keep the hair in hold. So I'm gonna go with the moisturizer first. That way that the butter can hold the moisturizer. You don't understand that? Let me know. So, for the moisturizer. Boom, I haven't used none of it yet. First time using it. See that? First time using it. Boom, let me get some. Just a tad bit. Just a tad bit. I guess it's a tad bit. So, get it in my hand. Rub it in. Rub it in. Turns into a oil base. Look at that. Kind of shiny. I'm gonna go with it. See what happens. Yep. That on there. This is what I do. Pay attention. I can show you some things. I didn't use that much. Right. I tell you what, boy, this stuff, whew, the smell of this stuff is the truth. So, I want to get that seeped in there like that. To go through that like that. You tell this, see the shine. I don't know if y'all can see that shine a little bit, but yo, that's shining. That's shining. That's shining. First day use, baby. First day. First day. Yeah. You see? That's how much they used. Look at that. All right. Yeah. Let's go with the butter. Last time, my last video, I said it was a little bit kind of like hard, but actually after the video, I went back and I looked at it, because remember I told you I was gonna let it sit there for a second to see if it'll soften up. I don't necessarily say it softened up, but it's usable, and I just figured out how to get it out basically. So how I get mine out is I take my finger, I give me a little scoop like that, give me another scoop, same difference. Put that in the pan. See that? Go ahead and rub that in. And it actually does the same thing. Rub that. Look at that. Rub it all in. Then I went back. Well, I ain't went back. I haven't used it yet. It's fresh. So I did it like that. And that's how I got mine out. So it came a little bit hard in the bottle, but figuring out how to get it out, I use the back of my nail, scoop it out with my nail, because it's kind of hard to get out my finger. Oh my goodness, look at this, bruh. Yo, look at the shine. Look at the shine. Look at Yo. Look here, man. Look here, man. Hold up. Y'all know I'm not finished, right? Y'all know I got to do it to you. Everybody knows what I'm about to bring out. I keep bringing this out because this is one of my favorite products in 2018, baby. Favorite products in 2018. Let me rephrase that. I guess you can call it a product, but it's, you know what? Without further ado, let me introduce you to one of my favorite tools. That's what we're gonna call it. My favorite tools. Let's do this, baby. Let's do this, baby. Let's do it. Y'all know what it is. It's the lay down G. One of my favorite, bro. One of my favorite tools. I'm coming brushing my hair at the end. I mean, I'm gonna tell you something, man. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Yo. Bruh, I don't know if y'all can see the shine in that. Bro, I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm gonna try to let you see it. Look at that. Man, look at that. Yo, this is a certified, matter of fact, this is a major coat. You know what I'm saying? I'm dealing with this. But this ain't gonna be my last review. I'm gonna make sure y'all know that. I'm coming back with a week review of this, man. This right here is something to reckon with. This is something to reckon with. Let me tell you something. I got another pomade that I like to use too. I don't usually use pomade, like I said, too much anymore. I normally use moisturizers. I'm gonna work with this though. I like this. I don't use pomade too much because necessarily in the summer I don't use pomade. And the reason I don't use them is because pomades tend to loosen up from the heat because it like it melts in your hair. So when your hair is laid down under the do-rag, it's got it smushed out there, and you take it off and you be like, damn, it's laid. But then you go outside, you get barbecue, you may walk around the mall. What else you can be doing? But most likely something like a barbecue. And later on your hair, you go to the mirror, your hair like, poof down, and you're like, what the hell? So basically, that's why I'm gonna use pomade in the summer. Right here, I'm gonna use just butter though. I don't know if butter had the same effect as the pomade. I've never really used the butter, but I'm gonna use this PB though. I'm gonna tell you that now. Yo man. Yo. One, the smell. Fire. Two, it's already got a natural shine to it. Like this is a natural pump. It's a natural product. It's got a shine to it already. Put it in your hand, it shines. Then you got the butter. A little bit stiff. Work that in, it shines. So you put that with your hair and the lay down G. Bro, that right there is a major go. Let me tell you, a major go. Done deal. I'm gonna use this for the next week. I'm gonna keep y'all informed. I'm gonna let you know how it's working out for me, but I don't see no complaints right now. None right at the moment. Maybe I'm mad because I ain't get more than what I got. I should have bought some more. But with that being said, man, that's understood. Ain't got to be explained. Stay ready. You ain't got to get ready. I'll let your boy, Mr. Him Too Wavy. You know what? We touch on things right quick. Cause this is what I've heard a lot of people talking about. The price. It goes to say, you get what you pay for. Pay for what you get. Whatever you want to say, however you want to say it. You can go to the Walmart. You can go to the Dollar General. You can go to the Walgreens and all that Rite Aid stuff and get all the pomades you want. But just know one thing. They might work for you right then, but sooner or later you're going to see the difference. It's going to make your hair flake up because it's not really natural. It's going to be like too thick if you use it too much. It's one of those, though, the way I see it, that type of pomade, you have to wash your hair a little bit more than you have with a normal, not normal, but with a natural product. So, let's go back again with the price. Yeah, $30 a piece, $50 together. But, now that I used it, I looked at the price when I first got it, like, well dang, $50, whoa, not your boy, hold up, I'm good, nah, bump it. I kept looking at it, and I was like, then I'll see his kid's hair, then I see a couple reviews, I'm like, still a little bit too much. But then you know what, man, I said, you know what, bump it. Let me go and support my boy. I don't know him personally, but let me go and support my man, you know what I'm saying, for what he's doing. I'm gonna check it out, do my review. Yeah, makes you go, hey, you can afford it, go ahead and get it. If you can't afford it, don't get it. If you want it, get it. If you don't prefer it, don't get it. But with that being said, stay tuned for more to come with the PB, the GOAT Trip. I'll let you. Wait a minute. I know you cats like this. He didn't even rag up. He didn't even rag up. He probably ain't wear no silkies. Probably ain't got no monsoon. He probably ain't ragging up with the right rag. I'll let you boy. For you cats out there still wearing them damn do-rag lines, hey, open up your damn bands on your do-rag. Get rid of that. Get rid of lines on your forehead. Open up your bands. Matter of fact, this gives me triple compression, boom, on my tape line. Keep that laid down, because you know, tape lines actually go a little bit over the tape line. Well, with that being said, I'm out of here. I've done enough talking. Y'all enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm out. Don't forget, comment, like, subscribe.